Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all a chance to guess what day it is. You know, just take a wild guess. I'll give you a second. Okay, your second is over. It's my birthday! It's my birthday, you guys, and I'm super freaking excited. I feel really, really good. I'm 21 out this hole. You already know? I'm 21, y'all. I'm literally 21. Like, what the heck? I've been out here in these motherfucking streets. No, I have not been in these streets, but I've been on this earth for 21 years. That is mind-boggling. Like, it was already a lot to take in that I was on this earth for 20 years. So to be out here for 21 is like, wow. I feel like a mature woman. I do, for real though, I do. But I'm about to go upstairs real quick because I feel like I need to get cuter than this. You know, put on some, should I put on some earrings before I go to the park? I don't know, but this is gonna be my birthday vlog. I feel like I should get a little more cute because you know, this is the outfit of the day, the B-day. It's not the only outfit though, so stay tuned for the rest. And you know, we got my girl. We go bottom and Jenna, yeah.
It says birthday and shit.
Oh, you look so radiant coming down them stairs. Says, yes, give it to them.
I'm feeling this. I'm over.
Right. Bro, we going back. We about to go. Yes, we about to get some champagne for our mimosas, and we about to turn.
It's gonna be lit. I'm so excited, y'all.
I'm weak. I'm about to go get some. What do I need? Do I need my keys? Yes, I need my keys. I'm gonna go upstairs and get my keys, and we will get this day popping. All right, so I'm about to get my first. Yes, the margaritas. Hold on, bro. Oh my god, these nails get on my fucking nerves. About to get my first one. Oh, they do. It's right here. Oh, right over there. All right.
Oh, listen to me.
True, yeah.
Let me not get this in it. Why? It's a special day. In the life of Sid the Kid.
Okay, hold on. So now we're gonna make some, flips. Bunch. I'm about to open my bub. Can you help me open this?
Sure.
I don't really know how to. But it's almost good as
I really don't even know. Yes, it was, bro. When I tell you it was seasoned perfectly. I don't know what you
I make sure not to put too much in yours.
I don't like salty food.
Yeah,
I don't care about spicy food.
Is that all seasoning? That's salt, pepper.
Oh, allspice seasoning? I mean, not
No.
allspice. What the fuck? Oh, that all-purpose seasoning, like soul food seasoning.
Well, I don't know.
That'd be a good mix, though. I like that.
That's just some nature seasoning shit. I don't know what that's. Oh wait. So, popping bottles. All right. 2. Bro, what is it? I don't want it to hit nothing.
Do you want to do it outside?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we cutting this on.
Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna do it on here. Are you ready? Should I do it this way? All right. 1, 2. Yo. Bro, it didn't even do nothing.
If you shook it up, it would have, but...
Oh, well, I didn't want to waste it, so
No, I
it's
understand.
okay. I'm scared.
I didn't think you would want to do that. Anyway.
But yes, this is definitely cheap wine.
It tastes nasty?
It's fine. Nah, you want to taste it? It tastes fine, but it's like tastes like juice.
Nah, it's a dessert.
Yeah, that's something like it tastes like juice. Like it tastes like
It's a dessert wine.
Like with cakes and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's fine.
But it's still good.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I be drinking wine. Yeah.
We're gonna put in this first. The juice. I'm like, oh. And Now we put in the Andre. That's what it says. That's what we calling this shit. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Excuse me. You gonna die.
We're gonna be.
I don't even know how much percent alcohol.
Well, you can be more drunk because you're not driving. I don't want
Not
to
that, but I'm not trying to be drunk. But do you want to? I want to propose a toast.
Is what?
To. Oh, I was lifting my glass. I won't clean it.
Oh.
To Sid Simone. I love you so much, bro. And don't nobody see your light, fuck them. If don't nobody believe in your dream, fuck them. If you know that you're working on yourself or you trying hard, and you genuinely trying hard, and you still trying to be happy while trying hard, and people just don't see your vision, that means they're not for you. So keep believing in yourself. And sorry I get sentimental on birthdays. I just think people should know, like, bro, like, for real. Because you was popping. You was a natural daddy.
Thank you.
But can do it both ways. Future, 222. Future wherever you want to be. That's what came in my head when I seen it. Future whatever she wants to be. And y'all better not be trying, my sis.
Cheers to that. Clean.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Smoking. No, I'll be seeing the videos. It'd be drunk people that be like,
yes, when they be fucking bringing the motherfucking beer cups together.
I was trying not to chug this. It was so good.
Bruh, you was like, I was like, this shit was good as a mother. I heard that shit. I was like, whoa. It was like,
I'm gone. I got a big ass.
but that shit is good. Your ass be going on these shits. And that's why
they so high.
Yeah, no, and they water them down at restaurants. Because they like, hell nah, we ain't going.
Not for real? Take the other one.
We're now at Maymount Park. We're gonna go this way. Shimon, sis. I'm with Shimon Lee. Shimon Lee. We're at Maymount Park, honey. Finally, like, it's like almost 4 o'clock. I'm a fucking retard. Like, we need to, like, because like, I like to stay on a schedule, but I did not stay on a schedule this time. And I had to park like 3 freaking times. Like, Jada was like, what the hell?
I'm groovy.
Alright. I'm glad we kind of came at a time where it's not busy because, like, it's usually really packed up in here, and I hate that, honestly. Where you want to start? Because that's farm animals over there.
That is everything you want to do.
I haven't went to this side in a while, so I'm going to go over here. But on the inside, you got to pay, so I'm going to see if we can see the,
You have to pay now?
Yeah, it's like $3.
Card, so.
There's some butterflies in the butterfly garden. Cool. I'm going to come over here and look at that. Moving. Oh my god.
With this big ass hill. Jack and Jill rolled down that motherfucker.
I'm weak.
I was like,
Yo.
oh shit.
You crazy, bro.
Oh shit. I like it though.
It's
not too hot.
I don't know how I'm looking, but I feel like it's giving very much otters going. I feel like it's giving very much going to see the otters. I feel like it's giving very much rolling ray. That's not good. You don't know.
No,
bro, you don't know who Rolling Ray is.
no.
You don't know that like dude in a wheelchair that be on that was on that one judge show, and he was beefing with Saucy Santana who made Walk.
Your Honor.
Hey. I gotta show you Rolling Ray. You're gonna be weak as fuck.
I wish we had a fucking blanket. That's all I want to do on my birthday.
Right. That's what I wanted to do too. I forgot all about the picnic shit. Fuck. But it's okay. I hope I look like a freaking goddess in front of this. Garden.
These kids are... Yes, I just wish I had some. Just take a time.
Ooh, you look really good out of here. Alright, we're going on a little
But it's okay for them to
freaking adventure, I guess. What is this over here?
I'm gonna have to edit the shit out of here.
Why he's so clean though? And why that one so dirty?
I don't know, maybe his leaves, maybe leaves were
Bro, yes, no, but
maybe
he
his
looked like
feathers
that
are
last
just
time
brown.
he was here. He was scratching and shit. I came here like 4 weeks ago. I've seen some koi fish sometimes, but not really. It's kind of hard to find them. Because the water is so murky. Yeah.
That's beautiful. It is a little water drop floating away, having a good old time on that beach.
bugs on me. It's too much motherfucking spiders out here. I'm scared for my life. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah, I see the shit now. I see how we about to get down. We about to get some ice cream now. So let's get it.
Oh, so weak. You're adorable. Hmm?
I don't even think they can see me twerking. I'm some hammer jam yams.
Five finesses. But it's gonna be a very light beat because you don't have nothing. And this isn't your shade. It's too warm. The skin tone's cooler than this. I would use this as some type of contour on my face.
Oh yeah, I never seen how deep it is until you pat it on.
It's not deep at all.
Like orange it is. So
Yeah. I'm not going on.
Coco Montrese. When she used to do this, and LaShawn, not LaShawn Rion. What's her name?
Latrice Royale.
Yeah, Latrice Royale. She did that too a lot. Her face is real orange. Like she was a bad
I liked
bitch,
it,
but
though.
it was real orange.
It was her aesthetic. But it's not gonna be like this. Just wait until the finished piece. Everything else.
Getting my face beat by my amateur.
I don't have everything I need. We was working out of her stuff.
Aw.
She's an amateur.
Aw.
That ain't no bad thing. It's just that it's not a full coverage.
Yeah.
Makeup beat.
I never do full coverage makeup beats because I don't even have all that extra stuff. Because I'm like, I don't know what to do with it.
Like I use concealer for my whole
beating
face.
my face, child.
And my if you use it hurt.
He's like,
My bad. If you gotta do that, you gotta make sure you blend it out.
It's good. It is all good.
It doesn't look bad at
We
all.
need that face.
Okay, so what was I finna go in with? Cause goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Okay, you want a pink lemonade look? You don't have no brushes, do you?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Yes,
And I do want a
you
pink
call me
lemonade.
ma'am.
Okay, so this is the look for my birthday, you guys. This is the final look for my birthday. I like it. It's cute. It's cute.
98.
Like, it's my butt showing. Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm ready to blow this joint.
Yeah, let's get it.
Ready to blow this joint.
Birthday girl.
Oh shit.
Ready to go.
I gotta pick my hair out.
Alright, so we're getting ready to go to the hookah lounge. And I look great because Jada did my makeup.
Yes, I gotta pick out my puff, y'all. Don't pay attention.
So I have to, you know, give her props because she is the mauve of tonight.
Rocking it.
Thank you.
You look good.
Thank you. Let's get it, y'all.
Break them down. Hey, 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 hey. Come on. Hey, hey, hey,
Go on, crazy. Go on, crazy. Go on, crazy. Go on, crazy. Go on.
They say bring this one back to
So they still haven't bought the fucking hookah. That's why I'm like, what is the problem? Like, all right, here for a minute. Still haven't
like Toronto. Make your body rise like a puffin' on the champion. Girl, it's only you gon' do.
Hey, work that shit, work that shit, man. This is my shit.
You just get things going up in this motherfucker.
Hey, you look so cute, girl. Get
As
it.
soon as that motherfucker liver kick in, I'm telling you, I'm going to a whole nother level.
Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than
But they don't know that it's already Tuesdays in here right now.
I'm gonna try to somebody is going off right now. What the fuck? Where should I take pictures at? Huh? Where should I take pictures at? Where should I take pictures at? Jada, where should I take pictures at? Jada, where should I?
Hey y'all, are y'all good?
Yeah, friend.
Okay, I'm just asking because I seen that white girl. I mean, she thinks she white. She calling people niggers and shit like her hair ain't fucking nappy. I'm Pan-African over here. I'm Pan-African over here and we don't do that shit.
Yeah,
we
she
got the
definitely-
diamond gene. That bitch is black.
She black.
That bitch is black.
She going through life. She's drunk.
Yes, that shit. People real selves come out when they drunk. That little bitch walking around like she white.
She lost her sister a month ago, so her head is on.
That shit is weird. I don't like that. Like, okay, even if somebody white said, I'm like, for real. But if I see somebody, your hair is coarse, why are you saying that?
Right.
I be trying to stay peaceful, but that's liable for you to get spit on or some shit. Don't call me no nigger. Like,
Yeah, she's all right though.
yeah. But all right, I'm just checking on y'all. Bye.
My birthday is now over, and I know I'm looking a little bit of a mess because I took my makeup and everything off. But yeah, final thoughts. It was great. Like honestly, even the things that got on my nerves were like, whatever. Like today was just fun. Like I was high all day. I was cross-faded all day, but I did a very good job of getting us where we need to go safely. And to top it off, I'm finishing off the perfect blunt that I just rolled. I didn't even get to record like what it looked like because I'm a dumbass and I forgot. Or did I? I probably got a Snapchat video of it. I hope I did. But I rolled it all by myself with nails, and it was probably one of the best blunts I've ever rolled. So I'm pretty proud of myself. But it is getting to that point where I'm gonna have to start being roach master, and I am not that anymore. I used to be last year, man, like early, like pretty much 2019. Wait, no, I didn't come into the new year with the niggas. So 2020, yeah, last year. At the beginning of last year, like in June, I was roach master, but now I'm not. So I'm gonna save this for Jada, who I definitely want to shout out because she really made my day so convenient. Like she really helped me out a lot today, and she really made my day really fun and awesome too. And I love every minute that I, get to spend with her because she's my near and dearest friend. And I'm really upset because like some people that I wanted to be there couldn't be there, and it's like damn. And then there was some weird ass drama going on because motherfuckers don't like it when you living your best life. Motherfuckers was unfollowing me because I was eating good. But anyways, yeah, so even though my heart is out for you guys, because I wish you guys could have came, but and my protection for you guys too, because of what was the reason why you couldn't come. But no, for real, I really wish you guys were there. I'm sorry. But every minute I spent with Uncle Bottom, Jada, is a great moment, and I'm really glad that she was there with me today. So yeah, I had a great birthday. I did. I ate my brunch. I went to the park. I didn't get to go to Bell's Isle because that shit, but we did find a cool spot. So, but yeah, I'm about to go because ain't no point in trying to smoke this. I might not finish the vlog here, but if I do, you know, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you are new to my channel and you've never seen the lovely Sid Simone's ugly ass face right now, subscribe. If you like this video, you know, like it and subscribe to my channel. Right next to that subscribe button is a post notifications bell, and I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that as well so you can know when I post. And love you, babies. Bye. If this is the end of the video.